Hi, it's Lou Brown with another one of my 101 ways for real estate investors like you to win and close more deals to accelerate your cash flow. Today's tip is number one, and let's see what it is. Have a plan of action, such as a business plan, before you start. Well, it's a funny thing. I've worked with real estate investors all across the country and for many years. I've been teaching since 1987. And one of the things I discovered is that a lot of people, whether they've already started or just getting started, don't have a plan. Now, what I mean by a plan is you gotta figure out what you're up to. What are you trying to create with your life, with your business? And one of the things that I always think about is the fact that when you get on an airplane, the oxygen mask drops down. And what do they say? They say, put it on yourself first. So one of the things that you gotta do is take care of yourself first, your ego. You gotta get the stuff that you want. You know, God created an amazing planet, and there's all kinds of wonderful things on here for us to take advantage of. So what resonates with you? What makes your heart sing? What's your list of stuff that you want? I got a few examples for you here. Now, what is it that you want? Is it houses? Is it cars? Is it boats? And you know I've got S's here, right? Is it college? Is it college for yourself? Is it college for a family member, for kids, for grandkids? Is it something that you want to give to someone else in terms of education? How about travel? Travel to where? Where do you want to go in this incredible world? It's a beautiful planet. The only problem is all the good stuff is not together. It's spread out all over the place. So where do you want to go in your life? And what kind of experience do you want to have? RVs, you know, what kind of RV do you want? Now, what you're going to do, and what I want you to do is when you make this list, be specific. So like houses, where do you want these houses to be? And how large do you want the house to be? And how much is that house going to cost? You know, start to think about what it is that you want. Start to cut out pictures of things or print out pictures off the internet. What is it that is in your dream, in your vision of what you want? Cars, what brand do you want? What year? What make? What model? What color? Boats, what model? What length of boat? What style? Is it a yacht? College, you know, where? How much does that cost? Let's put a list together. Now, what I want you to do is make that list, add everything up, and draw a line. And that's your number. That's your big number. But there's a second number I want you to come up with, and that's your monthly number. What does it cost to own this thing? What's the monthly that we need to have coming in order to be able to accomplish those goals, in order to have those things and to keep those things too? So airplanes, shoes. I had one student, she wanted a budget of $10,000 per month for her shoes. Now, so it's whatever you want in your life. Let's make a list. Let's have a great plan. Now, what we're going to do is come up with that big number, because what I've discovered is there's a formula. And what we're going to do is follow a formula in order to build the size business that you need in order to accomplish those things. I hope you enjoy this and will use it. I know this will make a difference in your profits. I'd love to share more of my profitable free tips with you. How can you get more? Well, depending on where you're seeing this, please like it, love it, comment on it, and subscribe. Share this with your network too. Yeah, baby. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.